partnership with ATLX, we are building a Metaverse community center, and this thing is going to be awesome. In my opinion, it's going to be awesome. So first of all, we've got 4 different buildings, all of them connected by these long hallways in order to keep the audio in each of the buildings contained. So here's what's going on. We've got a stage, so a stage area where artists will be able to perform. We've got a recording studio and booth, and we also have a blogging and podcasting area. And the idea is for all of this to be functional without the audio interfering with one another. And so let me show you how it looks on the inside. So this is where you come in. It's the lobby area. Okay. Let me show you how this looks inside of VR. So I'm going to go into Blender with my headset, and you'll be able to see what I'm seeing. So basically, you come in right here. This is where you will spawn in at. And we've got artist artwork on the wall right there. We've got spots to sit, and these hallways. This hallway over on this pathway on the right takes us to the studio, and on the left we go up the stairs. Let's take a look at camera 2 over a little closer to the wall. Lobby camera 2. So now you can see that artwork right there. Let's go to the booth. So this is the booth, and the recording studio is back on that side. So this is in a hallway leading to the studio. The studio's in there. This is the hallway. Come down in that way. Let's go to the next camera. So here we're in the recording studio. And each one of these records that are on the wall right there will have a play button. Let's go into the podcast area. So here we've got a hallway down there. We come down the hall, and then we come into the podcast area right here. Let's go to the next camera. And so here we are. Some seating for guests. And once again, this is community center. This is for everyone to use. Let's go take a look at the stage. The stage is nowhere near ready. Here's the stage. And so this is where, so once again, we come down this hallway, and here we have the stage area. And so an artist will be able to go up there. There'll be a ability to share screen. You'll be able to upload audio. All sorts of stuff are the plans for this. Can't wait to show you when it's done. There's an update.